fuel pump went out. So I have to haul it to Jay's so we can work on it. Good morning, Jay. Good afternoon, Jay.
Good afternoon.
Get back in.
Yep, throw it in park.
Throw it.
Or throw it neutral, not park.
Well,
throw it out of park.
I do things, I should throw it to park. You know, the other park.
The opposite of park. Anything but park. All right, here we come. Well, okay, stop. Right there. Throw it in park there.
Right.
And so it would only come in as far as the cab lights.
Oh.
And then the tarp wouldn't go all the way to the ground.
Right.
More than this one wouldn't go all the way to the ground.
Garages make things so much easier.
Yeah. I couldn't stand it if I didn't have a garage.
So Jay says it's just as easy to drop tank. There's no reason to take necessarily a shortcut to do this.
Now I wouldn't take the butt off. This has like a tank.
A shield?
Guard, yeah.
That's not normal?
Well, I don't know. Travis's didn't have it when I did it.
Oh. Oh, he had a GMC also?
Yeah. So it looks like it's just a piece of plastic, I think.
Oh.
It's like a rock guard.
That's cool.
It looks like a couple bolts on that. Then I'll get that guard down. And then there's this hose clamp on the filler tube. And you said it's about a quarter full, so there's probably
Yeah, I did add 3 more
7-8 gallons in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I put a little more in it.
Okay.
Oh crap! That's a lot of
No,
weight.
I've got a transmission jack over there that runs with the impact gun. Piece of cake.
Did you already get them all out?
No, I had to change something to get the third one out.
Did you already get some bolts down and there out already?
Yeah, the plastic thing's off.
Okay.
The rock guard.
So how many straps are there? Just 2?
2.
Oh, they put wires in it. It's got wire things blocking it. You won't get it out. You got a needle nose or pliers or something?
Let me see it.
You got like.
No, sure enough.
Was that supposed to be there, or is
I don't know.
The other side didn't have it though, huh? It's not like it, like you said, it's a keyhole. It's not like
Right.
once you get it in there and it's ratcheted down, it's not like it's gone anywhere.
Right.
All right. That's it?
Well, we're going to let it down a little bit and see. There'll be some electrical and some supply line stuff up there to disconnect once we get it down a little bit. That's ground strap. So that when you touch it,
Oh, right.
you don't make a spark in the tank somewhere. Gotta love a Colorado truck. This would never come out if this was from Iowa. We would have had to cut it.
How many clamps are there? Just one or two?
Those are just wire cable things.
Oh, got it.
They just keep the tight cable tightened up to the frame so it don't flop around. We've got 2 pressure lines, probably a vent line. We need to get disconnected. Then we should be able to get it to the floor and we can undo the electrical. I need to pry another wire keeper off the frame up there. All right, there's one. Usually them break, but I've got a set of them. I mean, the cable will be long enough, so we're gonna go down.
Ah, the smell of gasoline.
Now, can you pick it up enough so I can get this jack out from under?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, go to the ground.
Oh, it's smashing my hand.
Huh?
I'm smashing my hand.
You all right?
Yeah. There we go.
Okay. And that's off.
All right, so we got these nasty little clamps disconnected, and how does that thing? Does it just?
There's this tab here we're going to undo. Get it out of the way, like so. And then we're going to tappy tap tap.
So the fuel pump, it even does the fuel
pump and the gauge assembly and everything.
It's all one thing.
Yep.
That's why it's so expensive.
Right. Fuel pump is out. I told you these weren't that bad to do.
That wasn't bad at all.
I mean, it's
The
not,
worst part
it's not
was
fun, but it's not that bad.
The worst part was the stupid clamp.
Yeah. Like I said, it's not fun, but it's not that bad. It's pretty.
People are overthinking it when they're doing it.
Yeah.
They're overthinking it.
They don't want to wrestle with taking the straps down, and it's really not that bad. It's hard to see these clips when you're taking these off. And I told you I have some of those. I know approximately where they're at. Right here.
All right.
So I bought a set, and then I lost it. I couldn't find it, and then I bought another set. I had to go to Altoona to get it. Then as soon as I was done with the job, the next day I was out here and I found the other set.
All right, so at the moment, I am draining the fuel out, so this will be a little lighter, but still got quite a bit to drain out, probably at least another 5 gallons, I think.
All right, gasket's in, retaining ring is on.
Awesome, awesome.
I think we're all set.
Did you figure out how to wire this thing?
Yeah, it looks
Oh,
like.
you know what? Do you have the crimper things?
I'm not gonna crimp it. I'm gonna solder it. I don't believe in crimps.
How do these work?
They just go in there and replace that, and then that goes
Oh, okay.
on until it don't go on anymore.
Oh, okay.
No, that's a different kind. That one doesn't have that.
That one. Oh, okay. So that one just plugs in.
But this one will. Okay.
Awesome.
Now we figure out this plug. We'll put some of these will go in the bottom where these connect. We could put new ones on those.
All right.
That's a little one. I can't tell if that's a little one or a big one. Or just a bad one. There, that's going better. All right. So I'm not sure why is there two plugs? Because this one only has one.
He said that was for a sensor, a fuel pressure sensor. So maybe this truck doesn't have a fuel pressure.
Okay, because there's no place to plug that in.
Right, right. So
It
that's
could be. I mean, there's a place to cradle it right there, but
right. Unless, yeah. I mean, the truck never gave any warning saying there was no pressure.
right. I won't fool with it. It's
So apparently these are, this is the old style, and they give you this adapter that you have to connect to the new one.
and there is 4 wires in there,
Yep.
and we've got 4 here.
So hopefully the colors match. Or do they tell you?
Yeah. So models prior to 2002.
I got the paperwork down here.
Okay.
So we got red and black, black, gray, and purple. That's the colors we got.
On the original connector?
Yep. Oh, that's orange and black,
Yeah.
not red and black. Okay.
Orange and black on the new plug, right?
Yeah. And it's orange and black on the old too.
Is it okay?
Yep. So it's color to color.
Okay.
It's color to color.
That's
So I guess they're saying if it's a small black, then it's black and white.
okay.
And you match. Okay, that's what they mean. I'm not sure what the red blue is. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't apply to us anyway, so it doesn't matter. All right.
It's hot here. I'm starting to get warm in it. I can smell it. It's hot enough to melt solder yet. But yeah. So don't touch that. Is a new plug down here? Okay.
Yep.
Repressurize all the line and everything.
Yeah, I can actually hear it now. Awesome. So we got a new Wix fuel filter on there. And as you saw, the new fuel pump is tucked away and working.
Just got to finish putting straps on that hold the tank up and
And the plastic,
put the filler neck back in place.
and this plastic shield.
And the plastic dirt shield, rock shield.
Awesome.
Have to dump the rocks out of it.
Oh, now you're hooking up the fuel filler.
Yeah, if I can get it through the hole.
What's wrong here? Does it need to go up before you push it up?
Well, I'm not sure what it's hung up on.
Whoa.
I've got the tank strapped to the lift. It ain't going anywhere.
All right. Got it?
Yeah.
Now I know the ground strap is hanging down, but what's that
I
other?
disconnected it. I don't remember what this is. It's a vent of some kind. I just don't remember where it's supposed to hook.
Uh-oh.
I mean, it doesn't connect to anything. It just has to go in a hole.
Oh, okay. It was clamped on something, wasn't it?
It had a... And I don't even know if we took it off this time because that Christmas tree's pretty dirty. And I don't see any fresh witness marks like we took it off this time. I just don't know where it goes. Which is probably the reason I don't know is because I didn't take it off.
Right.
That's what I'm guessing.
So that hose that we didn't know what it was for, that's actual for the differential vent. So at least at the back of this vehicle, it's got a vent that's high enough you wouldn't have to worry about water getting into the differential. I don't know about the front, but that's what that vent hose was. It wasn't for fuel, it was for the differential. So that's really cool. One less thing to worry about for off-roading.
We got one part left over.
Uh-oh, what is that?
The old plug.
Yeah, I think we're okay.